I founded Ferraris Online in 1972, and we have been in the Ferrari business for now 48 years.
There's something so rewarding about being able to turn your passion into your career. It's really true what they say, if you love your job, you never work a day in your life.
We started with restorations, then went on to insurance scratch repair, and then sales and service. So we've done just about every aspect of the Ferrari business one could possibly do. By the early 1980s, we started to dig a lot of Ferrari race cars, old Ferrari race cars, out of barns, restore them, and sell them. I thought it would be a pretty good idea to be able to race them as well. We made the transition from club racing to vintage racing, to professional racing, Trans Am, MCGTO, Camel Light, Barber Saab, Mazda Pro. So over the years, I personally have done about 200 races. That's a lot of seat time.
We get such a wide variety of cars that come through our doors, whether it's modern day supercars that blast past 100 miles an hour with ease, or old 1912 Buicks that putt down the street at 30 miles an hour. It's always something new and exciting. So please subscribe to my channel, and I really hope you enjoy the videos.